In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your users in a Softr site. If you've built your application with Softr and you want a clear view of who has signed up, there's a simple place inside the builder where all of that information lives. Think of it as your built-in directory for everyone who has registered to use your app. You don't need any extra setup or add-ons. Softr includes this right in the admin experience, so you can quickly check in on your audience. Start by opening your Softr project and making sure you're inside the builder or admin interface for the specific app you want to review. Depending on your screen size or the version of the interface you're using, you'll see navigation either along the left sidebar or across the top toolbar. In that navigation, look for the tab labeled Users. Sometimes it appears simply as Users without any extra wording, but it's the same place. This is the dedicated section for your app's registered user base. Go ahead and click Users. As soon as you do, Softr opens a table that lists all registered users of your application. This table is your central view. It's where you can see who has created an account and interacts with your app. You'll typically find helpful details here. Things like the user's identifier, their registration status, and other profile information your app collects, so you can quickly understand who's in your community. If you manage multiple apps or workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one so you're seeing the right audience. A couple of quick tips as you review this table. First, access to this area is intended for team members who manage the product, so keep permissions in mind and avoid sharing user data outside your trusted team. Second, if the table looks empty but you're expecting signups, double-check that you're viewing the correct app and that you're inside the builder for the environment where users are registering. Also remember that the Users tab reflects registered accounts. Visitors who haven't signed up won't appear here. That's really all there is to it. Inside Softr's builder or admin, locate the Users tab in the sidebar or top toolbar, click it, and you'll have an organized table of everyone who has registered for your app. It's a straightforward way to stay informed about your audience and make decisions with confidence. If you keep this area in mind as your app grows, you'll always have a clear snapshot of your users right at your fingertips.